Hi and welcome to the So Many Things YouTube channel. I'm Tim, your host. Here you get to sew with the boys, quilt with the boys, embroider with the boys, and of course, mostly have some fun, and you might learn something along the way. Stay tuned! Hi and welcome to Embroidery with the Boys. Let's talk a little bit about what can be done in the embroidery machine. Everybody knows you can do embroidery, but today's embroidery machines are capable of so much more as people have developed new processes and fun things to do rather than just sitting there watching the machine go deet, 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 deet. So let's take a look at a couple to start with. First of all, besides regular embroidery, we can do applique work. Yes, the machine will stitch an outline showing you where to lay your fabric. You lay your fabric, it'll stitch a line to secure the fabric, you trim the fabric if you don't have a cutter and haven't cut it previously, then it'll come back and do the finishing stitches for you. As many steps as is needed, you can create applique in the hoop. Here's another one that has applique, but it's done in multiple layers. I have one red fabric and I have a striped fabric, and then I have a rope embroidery outline around all of it. So this is actually doing regular embroidery, plus the applique steps to complete my project. This is all done in the hoop, no sewing. Well, what else can you do in the hoop with embroidery? You can do embroidery on cork. Yes, we don't hoop the cork, we hoop our stabilizer. We lay our cork on top and secure it using a temporary adhesive, and we let the embroidery machine run so that it's stitching right on the cork for us. In a close-up view of this purse, you'll see that the stitching is just perfect because the cork is very, very forgiving with stitching on it. It also has a stability of its own, so it's actually lifting up the threads. So they actually have more dimension than a regular embroidery done on cotton where it's going to sink in. So this is just an idea for you to play with. But what else can you do on the hoop with embroidery? How about a little book cover? The little book cover is done completely in the hoop. The only thing you have to provide is your little pad to go inside, and you'll be all set. You can make labels in the hoop as well. This is a simple label with a pinked edge, but it's all done in the hoop, except for the pinking. You need pinking shears for that. How about a cute little bag to carry your change around in? This one actually has a nice zippered compartment. It's finished on the inside, and it's all done in the hoop. The trick with this one is you're doing all the stitching, and then when you're done, you flip it right side out. Look, a little tag so you can hang it on the hook inside, or you have something to grab it in case you lose it in your purse. You'll be able to find it easily. Let's do a little bit more decorative work. How about stitching with mylar? Mylar is fun, and you can make beautiful leaves. Anything you want to have a little glitter to it is the mylar effect. Mylar just gets stitched into the embroidery pattern. Once again, this is like lace work, but it's done completely in the hoop. Oh, you want to see the back of it? Look. The back is exactly the same as the front because we've loaded the same thread in the bobbin as we put in the top. Up here's another tag, except this one has a little spot to put that gift card in. Or a piece of candy, depending on how bad you want to fill your sweet tooth. Then we have snowmen. These are like little mug rugs. Once again, these are done completely in the hoop, and you just turn them right side out when you're done. It's a very simple process. Someone was pretty smart in figuring some of these things out. Oh, but wait. We've sewn on cork, we've sewn on terry, we've sewn on regular cotton fabric. How about sewing on cardstock? You can make your own greeting cards as well. Nice way to do your own personalization for someone special to you. Or how about a little mug rug? A little mug rug is just something to put your coffee mug on, while you're doing something else with the embroidery machine. It's nice to have something that you've made sitting next to the machine to rest your coffee cup on. Hope you found this inspirational and that you'll be looking at embroidery things in the future. Don't forget, this is just the first one of our embroidery series, Embroidery with the Boys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.